Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. What you're looking at here is Traffic Monsoon, and I am just so thrilled to be a member of Traffic Monsoon and getting more traffic to my business or my businesses. I want to log in to show you my progress of today. Bear with me here a minute. I don't like putting these codes in, these turning numbers. Just a second. Okay, we are logged in. Want the timer to go out so I can go on over to my back office to show you my progress in Traffic Monsoon and how I'm getting traffic to my sites. Okay, what you're seeing here is my account balance. It was up to 80 something, but I went over and bought me another ad pack to make $73, $74 a day. This is what I'm earning every day to buy more traffic to my sites or to buy more ad packs. Now every day I purchase an ad pack. I place the credits over here to get clicks on my primary business or businesses through my banners. You have to set up your banner, put over here and add an ad pack. I started at one ad pack and I worked my way up to 10 ad packs, and then out of my pocket was no more. I was buying ad packs from my profits, and each time I reached 50 I would get another ad pack. And now I guess you see I'm at $74 a day, and I can buy an ad pack a day, and an ad pack a day will allow me to draw money out of my account and go to different pages or different places to get web traffic to my site so people can join up with my business. And my main business is Power Lead System, and you can start up with Power Lead System, which is a marketing system that I use to promote even Traffic Monsoon. This is the Power Lead System right here. All of these are draw-in pages, capture pages, if you will, and also sales pages and videos of my Power Lead System or for whatever business I am promoting. And I even promote my other business through Power Lead System. Power Lead System will give you autoresponders and unlimited subdomains that you can put your autoresponder funnels inside to promote to your subscribers. You create capture pages, or you assign your subdomain to capture pages, and then you will assign that domain to your sales page as well. And people will come in and join as subscribers to receive your campaigns, which will go out through this very system that you use, which is called Power Lead System once you have joined. All of these are different campaigns that you can use to go out to your subscribers. Let's go back over to Traffic Monsoon. This is cash links are available for you. You click here, and sometimes this whole page is full of cash link, and this is free money that you claim. Once you click on these tabs, you will see an advertisement to someone else's site. Now, for me to qualify to receive my $74 today. I have to get up here to but start surfing 10 sites a day. That's all you have to do, 10 sites a day. Now, if you want to join Traffic Monsoon for free and advertise your business, just join for free and put your link inside of here to gain traffic to your site, and then start surfing. You have to search 2 since you're not paying into the program or the ad sharing program. You have to search 2 sites and your site would be seen one time. Now, once you start purchasing traffic, your site, every site you click on, someone will click on your site as well. And I've gotten sign-ups from Traffic Monsoon, and I've gotten sign-ups from promoting my Power Lead System capture pages. And I am having so much fun in this. Just think, when I get up to 100 ad packs, that's my focus. I will be buying 2 ad packs a day. Right now I'm buying 1 ad pack a day. And that money, I can draw it out. I can withdraw it. Or I can put it back into the system as buying more ad packs to get more exposure to my primary business. Now, outside of Traffic Monsoon, your money that you make in Traffic Monsoon will allow you to buy that traffic in other places like solo ads and clicks and what have you. You know, you find a place, or we show you some places where you can buy clicks to your site and you can buy your solo ads. And all you have to do is join up. Join up for Traffic Monsoon for free. It's going to be a link at the bottom of this video. And also with the Power Lead System, there will be a link there as well where you can come over and get your own. You can get a free trial in Power Lead System, and you decide if you like it. And my name is Marlon Carter. I'm having so much fun with this. I love making videos and showing my progress in Traffic Monsoon. Total sharing positions of 113 is down to 74 because it's up and down, because every 55 days you're gonna buy an ad pack for $50. In 55 days you make $55. You make that $5 on each ad pack. In other words, if you buying an ad pack every 7 days, that's $1 a day for 7 days. That's $7. So you figure it out. $74 is, I can buy an ad pack a day for $50. Once I get 100, I can buy 2 ad packs. That will allow me to make, just say, $100 a day. That's $700 a week. This is not just ad pack. This is money. My earnings from sharing is $4,107.18. My total earn is $4,374.84. My commission earned $252 from cash link, $6.49. Referral cash links, $8.79. So you see how this is working. You can do it too. Start off with 1 ad pack, work up to 10, then start buying ad packs out of your profit. Work up to 50 and start buying solo ads to promote your business. And take $50 out every week. And there you have it. That's the way you get traffic to all of your programs, or your main program that you are promoting. Traffic Monsoon, Power Lead System. That's what I'm using. And I'm making now $74 a day. You all have a good day or night. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Bye-bye.